final product.
My car looks bigger than Mason.
What it do? What it do? Brandon here, Father and Sons Mobile Detailing. I wasn't supposed to do no details today, but customer came, knocked at my door, and asked me. So I was like, yeah. Then plus, I haven't used this pressure washer that's in my van in a while. So I decided to, hold on. So I decided to just crank it up and do a wash with it. The kids helped me out a little bit. Just picked up this today. It was in a trying to take it apart. I'm probably going make sure it flush the gas and fluids in it. Picked it up for 20 bucks. Craftsman. The lady, her husband had died a few months ago, and she was giving away some items and getting rid of them, getting clean out of the garage. So she said it worked. He used to use it for the house and their deck and stuff. I'm just gonna change the fluids in it and change the oil, gas, make sure I clean it all out. Then I'm gonna see if I can fire it up in a little bit. It's enough of what I needed to do. Hey man, sometimes you get steals and deals that you can't pass. So yeah, like I said, that's my 4th pressure washer, or whatever. But hey man, if I'm getting them for these prices that I'm getting them for, why not? You know. Yeah man, like I said, I wasn't supposed to do any details. I was supposed to be chilling with the kids. But I'm gonna do that one, and of course another neighbor seen me. So I'm gonna maybe do another one, I don't know, I'm not sure. But I'm just hollering at y'all, man.